Welcome back to Tailspin Farm, and I've known that there's been a request, so I'm back. I'm not retaking the channel per se, but I am helping out Renee sort of with more goat chores. So today on the farm, Renee's doing some nails. Renee, are you having a good time? She's having a blast. Sometimes why do we embark on this crazy adventure of farming, right? And sometimes I don't know the answer, but this is Renee's love language, and we will continue to support that love language. And so you see what she's doing here today is there's some dirtiness on the back of the goat's bums, so she's shearing that. Of course, we entice goats with treats, as you've seen me do in the past. There she is, she's getting ready. We've had some malfunctions with her shearer, blowing fuses and coming apart at the seams, but I think we've got it working now. And once she gets these guys cleaned up, we're going to be happy. This is like round one of shearing, so she'll do the rest of the shearing soon, but we need to keep their backsides all clear and cleaned. I've been the greatest at that, so we're working on getting better. But she's shearing that section off to clean them up. And then she's got this big thing of hot soapy water. So, you know, a healthy goat cleanup. Who doesn't like to get a bidet done after you're done going potty? You know, goats gotta love it too. So, I am maintaining equipment while Renee does her thing. We'll see how this works out. 2 more goats to go. One is down. Bruce is all set. He was loving life, chowing. Renee, any comments for the audience?
Nope, I'm just hot and sweaty.
Hot and sweaty. Yep. But loving life on the farm?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, well at least one of us is, right?
That's true. You don't like this stuff.
It's fine, but you know, I'd rather work with plastics, but you know, it's all good. So, that's all for now. Quick update from the farm. Things are going well, getting things cleaned up. It's hot out here. So this is going to make these girls much happier. So that's it. Scott and the farm. Talk to you soon.